Hey guys, it's Sam from Family Handyman, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wiper fluid pump. It's super easy to do, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to loosen up the lug nuts, we're going to jack up the car, and then we're going to secure the car on the jack stand. Okay, so now that the tire is gone, I can clearly see into this wheel well here, and I can see that I need to remove the splash guard in order to get to that reservoir where that pump is located. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some of these screws and take off some of these caps in order to get to the reservoir I need to get to. So there's our reservoir, and there's the pump that we're going to be replacing. As you can see, there's some windshield wiper fluid in there, so before we even get started, I'm going to drain out that fluid before we replace the pump. Okay, so for when I'm going to be reinstalling this thing, this left one goes to the rear windshield wiper, and this right goes to the front. We're gonna place this exactly where the other one is. There we go. Push that all the way down like that. I'm gonna push this back into place like that, so it's nice and snug. Attach the rear windshield wiper fluid line, just like that. I'm gonna use that. Get the front one in there. So now I'm going to reconnect the power to the pump. It's going to clip in there. You're going to hear like a little clip sound. Now everything is secure and ready to go. We're going to fill up the tank with some windshield wiper fluid and make sure nothing's leaking or dripping out. And that's how easy it is to replace your windshield wiper pump. For more videos like this, check out familyhandyman.com.